Right, listen up. You think you know travel. You think you've seen it all. Bloody hell. You haven't seen anything until you've been to Dubai. Forget everything you thought you knew. This isn't just a city, it's a statement. It's a glittering jewel that exploded out of the desert sand. A place where ambition is literally built into the skyline. A city of stunning, beautiful contrasts. Standing in the shadow of a skyscraper that scrapes the heavens. Wandering a dusty, spice-scented souk that feels 1,000 years old. This is a sensory overload, a feast for the eyes, a place that demands to be explored. So, are you ready? A 5-minute whirlwind blitz of the absolute best. No messing about, no time wasting. The raw, unfiltered guide to what makes this place tick. Feel the warm desert wind on your face. Hear the hum of a city that never, ever sleeps. If you're loving this turbo tour, subscribe, smash like, and hit the bell. Then let's dive deeper. First up, the big one, the daddy of them all, the Burj Khalifa. You can't miss it. Gleaming needle of steel and glass piercing the clouds. Standing at its base and looking up is enough to make you dizzy. But the real magic, the absolute money shot, is from the observation deck. From up there, the entire city unfolds below you like a giant, intricate map. You can feel the faint vibration of the wind against the structure, and the city sounds become a distant, muted hum. Tip: book your tickets for an early morning slot. Next, you've got the Burj Al Arab. This isn't just a hotel, it's a symbol of pure, unadulterated luxury. It's shaped like a massive dhow sail, sitting proudly on its own man-made island as if it's about to set sail into the Arabian Gulf. It's bright, it's bold, it's completely over the top, and it's brilliant. The sound here is the wide, open expanse of the sea, a constant, soft whisper of waves against the shore. You can feel the salty spray in the air. Tip: you don't need to be a guest to appreciate it. Head to the public Jumeirah beach right next door for the perfect, unobstructed photo opportunity. It's a world-class view, and it's completely free. Let's move on to the Dubai Mall and the Dubai Fountain. Don't just think of this as a shopping centre, that's an insult. This place is a city within a city, so vast you could get lost for days. It even has a gigantic aquarium inside, for heaven's sake. But the real showstopper is outside. The Dubai Fountain is a masterpiece of water light music. Standing there, you hear the explosive whoosh of the water jets shooting hundreds of feet into the air, perfectly synchronized to the music, while a hush falls over the massive crowd. You feel the fine mist on your skin as the display reaches its crescendo. Tip: catch the show at night. Finally, in our tour of icons, we have the desert itself. Just a short drive from the chrome and glass jungle, you'll find the soul of Arabia. The endless, rolling desert dunes. The scale is immense, a sea of golden sand that shifts and changes with the wind. The silence out here is profound. It's a beautiful, deafening quiet, broken only by the sound of the wind whispering over the crest of a dune. You feel the fine, warm sand between your fingers. It's a humbling, grounding experience. Tip: go for a sunrise or sunset safari. And for God's sake, wear sunscreen and bring water. Don't be an idiot. A city constantly reinventing itself right before your very eyes. Section 4, the heart of old Dubai, a journey back in time. Let's step away from the glitz, get our hands dirty in the real history of this place. We're heading to the Al Fahidi historical neighborhood, also known as Basta Kia. This is what Dubai looked like before the oil and the skyscrapers. It's a beautifully preserved heritage area with narrow, winding alleyways, traditional courtyard houses, iconic wind towers designed to catch the breeze. It feels cool and shaded here, a deliberate escape from the sun. The soundscape is one of quiet reverence. Soft footsteps on the stone paths, the whisper of the wind through the lanes, the faint murmur of conversation from a hidden cafe. Tip: just get lost. Wander without a map and discover the little art galleries, museums, coffee shops tucked away in the courtyards. From the quiet lanes, we dive into the chaos of the souks. First, the spice souk. Your senses are under attack. The air is thick. Frankincense, saffron, cinnamon, other exotic spices. Heaping sacks of colourful powders, herbs, dried fruits line the walkways. lively, friendly chatter of vendors calling out to shoppers, and the rustle of paper bags being filled. It's vibrant and alive. Tip, bring small cash, politely bargain. It's a friendly dance of negotiation. Just a short walk away. The gold souk. When I say gold, I mean it. Dazzling, almost blinding displays. Shop windows crammed with intricate necklaces, heavy bracelets, rings, tiaras. It's a river of gold. Low hum of commerce, quiet negotiation of prices, footsteps of thousands, eyes wide with amazement. You can feel the energy, a buzz of excitement and possibility. Tip. Even if you're not buying, window shopping is fantastic. The craftsmanship is incredible, the volume of gold unforgettable. Now, let's get down to the water. Head to the Dubai Marina. This is the modern Venice, a man-made canal city, flanked by towering residential skyscrapers. A forest of twisting, futuristic towers along a calm waterway. Walk the promenade, take in urban waterfront life. You hear the gentle lapping of water against the marina walls. You hear the low thrum of yacht engines. You hear the distant chatter from cafes and restaurants. The air feels cooler here, a welcome relief. Tip. Take a dhow cruise at sunset. Tip. Or hop a water taxi to see the skyline lit from the water. It's a spectacular view. From the new, let's visit the original, the Dubai Creek. This is where it all began. A natural saltwater inlet, once the city's lifeblood for trade and pearling. It separates Deira and Bur Dubai. The atmosphere is completely different. Small wooden abra boats ferry people for 1 dirham. The call of seagulls overhead. The distant sound of the markets. The gentle breeze carries the scent of sea and history. Tip. An abra ride across the creek is a must-do. Then there's the Palm Jumeirah, a colossal, man-made palm-shaped archipelago, seen from above. Home to lavish hotels, pristine private beaches, upscale residences along the fronds, driving down the trunk, water on both sides. Perfectly manicured landscapes line the route. Boardwalk spots offer the gentle roll of the sea. Tip. Walk or jog the boardwalk for sunrise views of Atlantis and the skyline. Finally, the Miracle Garden. A massive, vibrant garden blooming in the desert. Millions of flowers shaped into sculptures, giant floral airplanes, floral castle sculptures, a whimsical, almost unbelievable sight. Winding paths filled with sweet fragrance, the gentle buzz of busy bees, the chirping of birds, the soft trickle of hidden water features. A peaceful sensory escape. Tip. Visit November to April, November to Koi. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour. Bold, brilliant, utterly unique, from the top of the world at the Burj Khalifa to the ancient waterways of the Dubai Creek. It's a place of incredible diversity. It's a city that shows you what's possible when you combine grand vision with a deep respect for heritage. Dubai isn't just a destination, it's an experience. It's the feeling of the warm sun on your skin, the sound of the call to prayer echoing, the hum of a supercar alongside it, and the taste of cardamom-spiced coffee in a quiet courtyard. It's a city that will challenge your perceptions and leave you wanting more. Before you go, one final crucial tip. Plan, but don't overplan. Pick your must-see spots. Leave room for spontaneity. Leave time to wander. Get lost in a souk. Sit by the creek and watch the world go by. That's where you'll find the real magic. And always, always stay safe. It's an incredibly safe city, but use common sense. Carry a copy of your ID, keep your hotel address handy, and stay hydrated. The sun is no joke. Pack light, wear comfortable shoes, and prepare to be amazed. This city is waiting for you. It's ready to show you its wonders, from its glistening modern marvels to its timeless desert soul. It's a place that's easy to explore, welcoming to visitors, and packed with moments that will stay with you forever. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and create your own Dubai story. It's a culinary masterpiece of travel, a perfect blend of ingredients, and it's ready to be served. Don't just look at the menu, go and have a bloody taste of it. Right, my job here is done. The guide is served. If you found this useful, if it got you excited to pack your bags, then do me a favor. Show some love, subscribe to the channel, give this video a massive like, and ring that bloody bell so you don't miss the next one. We've got plenty more amazing destinations to cook up for you. Now get booking that flight. Chop chop. Visual tag, our final shot.